Welcome back, lamp fans. This is Manny with MyProjectorLamps.com. You probably remember me from our older videos, and you're probably thinking, wow, this guy is still here. And also, man, this guy ages like fine wine. Today, we're gonna go through a quick run through of how to install one of EPSON's most popular lamps. It's the EPSON ELPLP78. I'll walk you through it. The ELPLP78 fits into over 100 different EPSON projector models, making it one of its most popular projector. The ELPLP78 fits into 3 of their most popular series, and you probably have one of these at home: the Home Cinema, the Powerlight, and the Powerlight Home Cinema series. You can purchase this ELPLP78 directly from our website at www.myprojectorlamps.com or giving us a call at 1-888-785-2677. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. This video is going to summarize the 5 easy steps of how to install an ELPLP78 projector lamp. I do want to let you know that this is being installed into a VS230 projector, and like I mentioned earlier, this is one of EPSON's most popular lamps. Just make sure that you check your owner's manual for the specifics on your machine, but this is basically a straightforward installation for the ELPLP78. Fair warning to anybody watching this video: before you start the installation process, make sure the projector is completely unplugged and cooled down to avoid any serious burns, because I definitely wouldn't want you guys burning your nice little fingers. Let's start. Step number 1, gather the necessary tools for your install. The first thing you're going to need is your new ELPLP78 projector lamps purchased on MyProjectorLamps.com, your Phillips head screwdriver, your owner's manual, and your handy dandy microfiber cloth. Let's get started. Step 2, prepare the projector. The first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the power cord. Once you've disconnected the power cord, the next step is to let the projector cool down for at least 20 to 30 minutes to avoid any serious burns or injury. The next step is step number 3, which is accessing the lamp compartment. The way you want to locate the lamp compartment is either by looking at your owner's manual or simply inspecting the projector. It's usually on the sides, the bottom, or right on the top. On this projector, it is simply located on the top right here on the right-hand corner. First thing you're going to want to do is locate the screw that's keeping that door shut, and you're going to want to unscrew that. Once unscrewed, you're going to want to slide and lift to get it out of the way and set it aside. The next thing you're going to want to do is locate the 2 anchors on the lamp, which are right here, and you're going to want to unscrew those. Once you've done that, you're going to want to locate the handle on the lamp, and you're going to want to give that a nice firm pull. Ta-da! Once you remove that, set it aside. And you're going to want to grab your microfiber cloth and take this time to clean up any crevice of this lamp cavity. Over time, it builds up a lot of dust. You don't want that in there, so let's clean that out. Once you clean that out, you're moving on to the next step, which is installing the new projector lamp. The next step is to install your new ELPLP78 into your projector. The first thing you're going to do is grab your new projector lamp, and you're going to want to locate the plug. Once you locate the plug, you're going to want to locate the plug inside the projector, and you're going to want to align those 2 together. And the next step is to insert the lamp into the projector, and you're going to want to push firmly until you hear a click. And there it is. You've got it in. Then you're going to want to locate those anchor screws again and tighten those bad boys up. Once those are tightened, the next step is to put the lamp door back on. This is very important. Projectors have a sensor on this lamp door that will not let it turn on until it's closed. So do not attempt to turn it on with the lamp door open. Once that's closed, you're going to want to close that back up with this screw. And once that's closed, you are a-okay to plug this bad boy back in. And let me go ahead and do that. And you are ready to fire this up. And your lamp install is basically complete. You just have to do a couple more run-throughs and checks. The first thing you're going to want to do once you turn on your projector is to make sure there's no blinking lights or any warning messages on the screen. And the last final reminder is to reset your hours on your projector once you turn it on. You can click the link below to see our next video on how to reset your hours. Thank you for tuning in. This is Manny with My Projector Lamps, and thanks for watching.